Imagine building your own AI app in the time it takes to drink a coffee, with zero code required. That's exactly what Google's AI Studio just unlocked. It's a playground where anyone can turn ideas into AI-powered apps, without touching a single line of code. You just type what you want, tweak a few options, and watch the app come to life in your browser. No setup, no servers, no headache, just you, your idea, and a powerful model behind the scenes. And the best part? You can go from blank screen to working prototype in minutes, not weeks. Need a smart customer support chatbot? Describe your tone, drop in example questions, and let AI Studio build the brains for you. Want a personal research assistant? Paste your documents, set your goals, and generate a custom AI that actually understands your context. You can plug your app into websites, tools, or workflows with simple copy and paste snippets. Built-in safety settings help you control what the AI can say, so you stay aligned with your brand and your audience. From startups prototyping products to teams automating internal tasks, AI Studio turns experimentation into everyday workflow. If you've ever had an AI idea but felt blocked by code, this is your moment. Open Google's AI Studio, describe your vision, and start building today.